this pretty puffy envelope.
Oh. Why is it pink?
I don't know. I've never seen it. I did.
Oh, it's interesting. I don't know where that came from. Okay, so let's see about moving in a little bit. Okay. Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, okay. So,
Wait, there's more.
I mean, it's not just a baggie. Just a baggie. Let me just cut this. All right. So this was a set.
That. Wow.
And look, they're each in. Oh, it's one bag.
Yeah, it's like a little pinhole
Okay.
kind of sort of thing. Yeah, it's just delivers the pin. Look at that, different colors.
Goodness.
Wow.
Okay, so this is kind of hard to see against there, so I'm going to do it this way. So, yeah.
Yeah, you got ink fingers.
Ink finger. Look at that. So this is called the Jinhao. And I think there was a number after, I don't remember. But I'm going to have to look it up and put that information on the screen.
Okay.
But yes, it is the Jinhao brand. And it actually does say that right here.
Oh, okay.
Jinhao on the cap there.
Real deal.
Yeah, I don't remember the number offhand, but so let's see. This, okay, again, it screws. Yeah, so there's the cap where it says Jinhao right there on the middle part. And nice. Okay, so yes, there are 6 of these, and they're all in different colors. So instead of being transparent, fully transparent, these are translucent. So they have some color in there, which is really cool, I think.
Yeah, it's got a nice kind of texture.
So
that's kind of like a smoky.
My magnifying glass over there because I want to see what the nib says on here. Yes, you're right. It does look like a smoky color. And it says Jinhao on there, and it says F for 5. And there's like a little image of a chariot. It looks like a Roman chariot or something on of a profile of one. And then it has a decorative motif on there too. So, wow, interesting. Oh, let's see.
So they're all the same pen, just different colors. Is that the idea?
Yes, yeah. Yes. And how do I open this? Yeah, okay. So it's unscrews like that. And this comes, each of these pens comes with its own converter.
Look at that.
Which is why I thought this was, well, it's already a good deal. It was only like $2 per pen, because altogether it was like $11.99 or something.
Yeah.
But to have them each come with a converter as well, I mean that's pretty nice.
Fancy.
Yeah. So this is. Yeah, so let me show you. This is very similar to my piston filler pen, the Pen BBS 494.
Okay.
That one, it's actually, it's built in. Yes, it's built in. But this is a converter that you can actually remove if you want to use cartridges instead. So let me see if I can. Yeah, I think it just comes out. Yeah. So this part is the converter. So I think that's pretty awesome that it came with it. But yeah, so you can use cartridges with these. I understand. I believe it's just there's a standard size for cartridges, at least if I'm not mistaken.
Possible. But yeah.
There is an international standard,
Okay.
but there are still some proprietary designs that companies do. But there is what's considered an international standard as well.
Okay.
So let me just make sure that this is. Yeah, you just push it in. That's it. And then this part goes in there. And then let me just see. Yeah, it's. I kind of like this one posted. I like the feel of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it balance?
Yeah, I think so. And here, I'll let you take a look at that. So let's see what other colors are here. So this one is a clear one, yes. Nice. I like the clear ones, but I like all these translucent ones too. So yeah, I mean, how could we pass up this deal?
Yeah, no kidding.
And isn't that a pretty blue?
Oh,
That's
wow.
very nice.
Yeah,
very pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this one is going to be for for Twilight.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right?
No kidding.
We'll
Yeah.
put those together. Twilight.
Yeah.
So I think, and when I read the reviews, I heard some people complaining about some of they had the size on the nibs wasn't the same on all their pens, but it looks like this is another fine. So which is what it was advertised at.
Okay. Good.
At least I think. No, they didn't specify a size on the nib, but in the photos that they included on the listing, I zoomed in and it said F on all the ones that I could make out. So I was going on the assumption that all of them would be fine, but we'll see. Okay, so there's the smoke. So this one will be probably either jet black or Earl Grey. I'm not sure. Probably the we'll say Earl Grey for that. On that one. And then
next color.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is going to be the ancient copper.
Oh yeah.
Yes, ancient copper. And then
this last one?
no.
Ooh.
Look at that glorious green. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I wonder if you have a green.
I have a green black.
Or you could go pelican too.
Yeah, but this has more of a yellowish green, and I think that'll go better with this one.
Awesome.
Because the pelican, which I have yet to show, by the way, so they're getting a spoiler. The pelican dark green is more of a blue leaning, so it's a little cooler. Is what I mean. So I think this would match this color a little better.
Yeah, actually, the colors are going to be close to.
But the thing is, I had already put the sepia in the other one, but that's okay because this is a different pen, and I'll see how it works in here. So yeah, so we'll do the sepia in there because that's perfect.
Out was what? The black one.
Yeah.
That doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It's okay.
It's fun to play with.
Yeah, because no, it's not left out because there's the clear one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there you go.
I don't know. Which one should I do? Should I do the clear or this smoky for the black? I could do the clear for the Earl Grey.
That's true. You could. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do the and then black with the smoke. I think that would make more sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Nice.
So I have a plan.
Here's the layout. Coming soon.
Yeah. So I'll be able to put all the diamine inks that we got on that great deal and put them in these super cheap, fountain pens.
Value price.
Yeah, yeah. So
It took a little longer. It wasn't, of course, a 2-day delivery. But,
yeah, because you had ordered them at the same time.
Yeah, but it turned out it was like a week or so later.
But, I mean, what?
That's fine.
So obviously, I'll have to
Worth the wait.
Try them out and see how it works. But
Yeah.
I mean, it just seems like such an awesome deal. I mean, $2 a pen. Look, how could you?
Yeah, it seems like Jinhao's another company out that a lot of people use the pens. So.
Yeah, and I looked at other people's opinions and reviews and videos demonstrating and saying what they thought. So, it sounded good to me. So. But I think these colors are really cool.
Yeah, that's fun.
Awesome. I'm excited.
Yeah, you're going to film them all.
So I'm going to be uploading pen video after pen video.
Yeah. Well,
and people are going to think I'm not doing art anymore.
Well, ink works.
Yeah.
It's all art.
Yeah. Okay. So my gosh, I've already got how many pens now?
Well, a lot now. You just got 6 more. Yeah. So nice.
So now I have 7 right now.
Yeah,
With
wow.
that, with these and the first one that I got, the pen BBS.